Alright, this is an unboxing of a 4.7 HO from Accurate Engines. There's kind of the information there. I have not opened this, as you can tell. Slightly off kilter, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. So, I'm going to set it down, set it up, and let's see if we can get going. Alright, this is the unboxing. 4.7. You can tell the stick is still on it. You can tell, still intact. Nothing touched. This is a 4.7 HO. Does come with the gasket set from Engine Pro. There is your number if you are instrument. Alright, I'll go get some tools and we'll open this thing up. Alright, sorry about the jitterness. One, two, three. Detail. There. There. I'm going to pause. What I don't see is no HO markings anywhere on this. Alright, it is now on a jack stand. Till I hooked it up. You can see very well or not. This is the glare. I did bolt down the flywheel already. 45 pounds each bolt. Start on the top, going to star pattern. Not a problem. Alright, so final look before we start putting stuff on. Again, 4.7 HO. All looks good. Time to button it up. Alright, next thing we did, got the oil pickup tube in. You can tell it connects down there. That's torqued down to 21 foot-pounds. I got 2 more bolts left to go in there. And I also put the inner oil pan plate in. On to the next step, putting the oil pan on. Alright, next step, I went ahead and put the valve covers on. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Be very careful. This bolt here broke. So I have to take it from the other side and take it out and get a new bolt for it. Again, what I'm doing, I'm able to come out just a little bit off the back end, and with a long needle nose, work it out from the back end. Hard to do this one-handed. But that bolt will come out, then I'll replace that top bolt. Went ahead and buttoned it up for the night. The timing chain cover. You're going to have 1, 2, here, 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 all the way around here, here, and then there's a final one there. Sorry. Big thing here, make sure you torque it down. The torque specs was 40 foot-pounds, I do believe. I'll check that to make sure, but I can tell you right now, it is torque down. Yes, 40 foot-pounds of torque. All right, now we're going to go ahead and work on getting the top end fixed and done. The tie strap, because my helper lost the pan oil bolt. So right now that's just there to hold on to the oil pan so no dirt and grime can get in there until I can get some new oil pan bolts. They disappeared in the last 2.5 months since the engine came. All right, next step.